Hey guys, welcome back again. So from this video onwards, we'll be doing a series on MVVM architecture. And before I'll tell you that what all you are going to learn, let's look at the demo application that we are going to build by the end of the series. So here, as you can see that we have this application that is the shopping cart application, or you can say that it is an e-commerce application. So here you can see that we have a recycler view with the layout manager as grid view. As we can see that we have a grid view here and we have a couple of products inside this, and if we click on any of the products, then we are taken to the product detail section here, and then if the product is available, then we can add the product to the cart. And let's go back here, and from the main screen also, if the product is available, then we see available here, and if the product is not available, then the product is shown as out of stock and we cannot add the product to the cart. But if we click here, then the product is added to the cart and we get a snack bar here at the bottom. So if we go to the orders or the cart page here, if we click here, that is the orders, then we are taken to a different fragment, that is the cart fragment, and here we see that is the current product that is added to our cart and the total price is displayed here. So if we want here, we can change the quantity of the product and the new price is reflected here in the total here. Or if we want, we can also delete the product from here. So now the cart is empty and we see the total price is 0 and we cannot place an order. So let's go back again. So let's try adding the product by going to the product detail page. So let's go inside this product detail, that is the iMac 21. And we see that since the product is available, we can add the product to the cart. And then we see that the cart icon has been updated with one number of products because it contains only one product. So let's go back again. So now let me add another product here. So let's add this iPad Pro here. So as soon as we click here, we get a snack bar here and the new quantity is updated in the badge here, that is 2 here. So if we go to the cart here, we can see the updated cart here with the total price. And if we want to place an order, we can click here, place an order, and then we get another fragment that says thanks for your order and continue shopping. So now let's click here, continue shopping. So now we again have an empty cart because the order was placed. And so now a couple of different things are going around here. That is, while making this application, you are going to learn a couple of different things. That is, we'll be using MVVM architecture with data binding, and wherever it is necessary, we can avoid using data binding and then we can directly use view binding. And this whole application is a single activity application, and all this shop page or the product detail page or the cart page, these are all fragments here. We'll be using view model and live data, and in view model we'll be using the shared view model, and all these navigations are handled by the navigation component. And then if we click on this menu item here, that is the cart icon here, so this is again handled by the navigation component. And then we are going to use custom fonts in this application. We are not using the default Roboto font here, instead we are using the Open Sans font here. And all these components are material components, that is this text view and this button here, that is the text button here, it's a material button here, we can see the ripple effect here, and then this we get a snack bar here, and this snack bar is again a material snack bar. So we see that we can click here to check out again also. This recycler view is built with list adapter, that is, we are not going to use the plain recycler adapter, but instead we are going to use the list adapter with recycler view. And then finally, you are also going to learn that how to use a custom badge on your menu items here. So for this, we are not going to use any library, but instead we will be making this by ourselves because it is hardly 10 lines of code, and you will get a beautiful badge here where you can display the number of items inside your cart. So it's a fully jam-packed series where you are going to learn different new concepts and different new things, and that too with MVVM architecture. And without wasting any time, if you haven't liked the video till now, do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notifications. So see you in the next video where we'll be starting building this application inside Android Studio.